So how do you see the voice bar on a Capcut using your iPad? Let's talk about it. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So there are more things you might mean by that, so let me cover everything that crosses my mind. Like, of course, whenever you are editing your videos, you might not see the layers for the audio right away, right? So for that, what you need to do is to select the video file in the timeline, scroll through the available options, and I want you to just click on extract audio, which is going to separate the audio layer from the video layer. And also the wavelengths and voice bar, or whatever you want to call it, is going to appear below, and you can separately control it, right? So it's not connected to the video anymore. Other than that, if you mean adding voice over your video, right, what you can do as well is to click on the sound layer below your clips. And obviously you have the ability to bring in some different like audio from different sources, but you can also tap on the microphone and literally speak over your existing video. So you literally add like a voiceover to your existing clips, and this is going to behave like a separate audio layer on your timeline, so you can perform a bunch of changes to it, and you can also just add effects or cut it, trim it, whatever. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if this is what you were looking for. I really hope that I can help you with it. Most definitely stay tuned by subscribing for more tutorials, and I'll talk to you later.